hello. Thank you for joining us here at Architectural Ceramics. This is TileStream, and I'm bringing you your Tile Talk with Ginny. Thank you guys for being here today. I wanted to bring you a little dose of why we use tiles for either the kitchen area or the bathroom area specifically. I mean, we can kind of understand what we're doing with the bathrooms. You know, you've got the shower, we've got the water going. Of course, we want tile on the walls, but there's a little bit more to that. And mostly then for the kitchens, we really want to protect the backsplash. People kind of get away with doing the drywall bit for a while, but we really want to protect against three things: heat, staining, and moisture. So we've got tile is going to take care of that. Tile is going to protect it. Mostly with like porcelains and ceramics, which we've got a few of those options here. They're wipe and go. They can take the heat because they were baked in a kiln way hotter than what your stove can produce. So they can take a beating. And again, they're super easy to wipe because if, like me, I cook with a lot of different sauces. I'm Cuban, my husband's German. I like to cook Middle Eastern. Give me anything. I love to cook. You guys should know that based off my photos and videos. I want something that's gonna wipe and go because I don't wanna have to worry about cleaning it. And that's where we've got this protecting everything. And then same thing for in the bathrooms. Taking the tile floor to ceiling in the shower at the very least, and having the tile as the splash surround above the sink, because imagine, you know, you're washing your hands, doing your business, you go to reach to turn off the handle and you've just gotten that entire like wall section wet, very wet. So over time that can give you mold and mildew, and we never want to take and cover up our tubs that already have the mold and mildew with those plastic cover-ups. I see those commercials on TV and I'm like, oh my God, why are you just covering up the mold that's gonna be like perpetually molding forever and ever, and what is that doing? Whatever. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to tell you, let's just take that tile all the way up. And in a shower, let's contemplate doing heating. Don't worry, maybe even if it's not just the bathroom floor, think about doing floor heating as your shower floor. Because what that's gonna do for your shower floor, it's gonna dry your shower in about 10 to 15 minutes, so then we never have to worry about mold and mildew. Also, if we're going there, contemplate if you've got a bench in the shower, heat that bench. Who wants to sit on a soggy, wet bench? Not me. So let's go ahead and have it heated. That way it's warm, inviting, and you can sit and actually use it for what it's meant for. So that's one section. And then in terms of having porcelain and ceramic in a kitchen, thinking about the backsplash for sure. Again, wipeability, cleanability, but thinking about it for the floor. Where I'm going with this is with ceramic and porcelain, you have antimicrobial, antibacterial, stain resistant, scratch resistant, fade resistant, everything resistant. My son has eczema, so I have to be really careful with what chemicals I'm using in the house. I actually don't use chemicals. Mild soap and water is all I'm ever really using because I can't hurt him, and his sweet little face will break out really bad. So we don't want that. And people these days are getting more and more allergic. This is why we're getting rid of rugs and carpets and we're putting down porcelain and ceramic, because for the ease of maintenance. And this is why we like having these sustainable materials in your house. So that's kind of all I've got for you today. Just a little quick tidbit on why we want these tiles in our spaces. Next week, I think we're gonna be talking about, I'm looking at my notes, don't mind me, 6 things to consider as to why we're buying tile and what we're gonna use it for. So tune in next week, Tile Talk with Ginny. That's your talk.